Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today in this video I will prepare a sweet with bread. Okay, this is a Prestige Pigeon electric kettle. Here you can control the temperature. I have put in max to boil the water. First of all, we will boil some water. We will prepare that sugar syrup. Okay, first boil the water. Water is already boiled now. Now add the sugar. Stir it properly. Now reduce the temperature to 70 degrees Celsius. Let it boil. We will prepare the sugar syrup as one string will be performed. Till then we will prepare. Okay. Now add some green cardamom to it. Okay, let it boil. After 5 to 10 minutes, switch off this, guys. We don't want more thick. Okay, switch off this. Meanwhile, in another kettle, in the Baltra electric kettle, boil some oil and cut the bread slices in rectangular shape. You can remove the edges if you want to. Okay, cut them all. Oil is also ready to fry. Fry the bread slices till it turns light brown color. Okay. Bread will not take much time to fry, guys. Fry them all like this. Now the bread slices are also ready and sugar syrup is also ready, guys. Now in a bowl, see how crunchy these are. Okay. Take some fried bread slices. Now add the sugar syrup. Let the bread slices be dipped in the sugar syrup for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, make sure, guys, you will take this out. Sorry, I told that within 5 this in 5 to 10 minutes. No, we should not keep this for 5 to 10 minutes. Within 5 minutes means after a minute we need to remove this. Okay, otherwise it will be melting. After a minute, please take them out from the syrup. And place them in a bowl. Take them all out. Okay. Now our sweet is ready, guys. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.